Hi, I'm Ben, and today we're going to talk about how to ease back pain. Now, if you're anything like most of us that are out there that deal with this kind of back pain, the one thing is that you want to get some relief quickly, okay? But first, before we jump into that, let's take a look at a few different reasons why we get back pain. Back pain can be caused from numerous different things. The first being sitting. Just sitting at a desk too long, or sitting and doing nothing for too long. Inactivity, different things like that can be reasons why you can experience some back pain. There's also other things that are a little more strenuous. So say you do a workout and you're overzealous on it and really push it too hard. That can be a cause of back pain. Or you're lifting something. There's so many different reasons why we experience back pain. Now, you may have some sort of chronic illness or some kind of injury. Those are a little bit different situations. Oftentimes, when you get some of this back pain, it'll start with something minor, something simple, like a little bit of tension or a little bit of tightness in your back. Well, those aren't necessarily reasons for immediate concern. So say you just did a workout, brand new workout, something you've never done before, you might have some stiffness and tightness after that, but that's very normal. And after a few days of rest, something like that will generally go away. Now, if you're sitting at a desk for a long period of time and you're always sitting in the same position, pay attention to your posture, because simply how you change your posture could make a difference in how your actual back feels. Now, some of the common symptoms that you'll deal with when you have back pain can be anywhere from tightness to tension to muscle spasms to part of the ligaments and whatnot being strained and stressed, and those are all normal. Now, the severity of them can definitely make a difference. So if you notice that it's prolonged and normal things that would normally help it are not working, then you may need to look at alternative options and alternative different treatments. And at some point, depending on how bad it is, you may want to talk to a medical professional. So what kind of things do you want to pay attention to where it actually gets to that point where you need to talk to a medical professional? Well, what you'll want to do is, if it is something that is prolonged, something 6 weeks, 3 months or more, then those are situations where you may need to start looking to a doctor or some kind of medical professional to figure out what's going on. Now, some of the things that you really want to pay attention to is what is causing the problems. When you really start to notice them, pay attention. Was there something you did? Was there a way that you twisted or something like that that makes the pain worse? Or is there a certain movement that when you do it, you feel it getting tenser or more painful every time you do that movement? Because those could be reasons that you need to talk to somebody and figure out what's going on. Once you've narrowed down exactly what is going on, then at that point, you can start to figure out what therapy or what treatment options you're going to use to help ease that back pain. So let's talk about those real briefly. So as many of you are aware, there's a lot of different options out there to help ease the back pain. It could be as simple as doing some stretching, a little exercise, or getting some sort of pain cream or over-the-counter medication. And in certain situations, you may have to get something more in depth, maybe a massage, or maybe do a yoga class, or maybe you need some kind of electronic stimulation device that can help stimulate those muscles. So one of the units that we're going to look at today is their YK15AB. The nice thing about this one is that it has 15 different modes to choose from, different types of massages and things like that. The other thing is it has 20 different intensity levels. It's going to be effective, it's going to have good coverage area, and it's going to be something that will help alleviate that pain and give you some ease, which is exactly what we're all looking for. So if this sounds like something that you want to get some more information on, take a look at the link below, and thank you for watching.